There are tens of thousands of AI tools, 50,000 YouTube videos about AI, new tools dropping every single day, new must-have AI tools dropping every single week. No wonder why you're frozen. Let me simplify the next 21 days of your life into one path and your business into one path. All these awards behind me I earned prior to AI. And do you know why I earned all of these awards? It's simple. Boring businesses make a lot of money. The problem you are having is you are taking something easy and boring and making it hard and complicated. And I want you to hear me out because this is going to make a lot of sense. Here's what's actually happening to you. The more AI tools come out, the less work most people are actually doing in their agency. Not more, less. You complicate simple services that you can sell to local businesses because your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter feeds give you the FOMO. 2 years ago, agency owners had two tools, a CRM and Google. They built agencies, they made money, and they did it the boring way. They didn't have 47 tabs open, 6 different AI subscriptions, a Notion doc full of tools to try. And they actually spoke to businesses in the English language, not some AI language that local businesses will never understand. More options always equals more paralysis, not more progress. Every new AI tool you try to learn is another decision that your brain has to make. Another tab, another thing to figure out, another reason to stay in research mode instead of doing the work. And here's the quiet trap that nobody's really talking about. Keeping up with AI has become an acceptable excuse to never actually execute. You spend 2 hours watching a new tool breakdown, you feel productive, you took notes, you bookmarked the channel, and you feel like I'm keeping up. Dopamine hits and you're like, yeah, I'm good. But you didn't pitch or speak to a single client. Forget pitch. You didn't even talk to a business owner. You didn't build a single website. You didn't book a single call. You did nothing but learn, and learn. Now, I want to break this down even further. Watching AI content is the new procrastination. It looks like work. Your brain rewards you for it. But at the end of the week, your bank account is literally identical. The agency owners actually making money right now are either pitching Fortune 500 companies for some custom AI solution that 99% of agency owners will never be able to do or even comprehend, or those who keep this business simple. Simple services, simple conversations, simple clients, big results. So here's what I want you to do for the next 21 days. Literally, this is the entire plan. You pick one niche, roofers, dentists, landscapers, doesn't matter, pick one. Find prospects in that niche, not 20 niches, one. Build them something real, a website, a mock-up, an audit, a review funnel, something they can actually see. Call them, email them, walk into their business with a laptop to show them, hit them up on Facebook or Instagram, anything or everything. Talk to your friends and family. You will close deals. You're going to get paid. Then you just repeat it. That's it. That's the whole thing. Focused niche, focused service, focused outcome, focused conversation. Big result. And that is exactly why I built this 21-day AI agency challenge the way I did. It collapses every decision into a guided path. You don't pick the tools. The 8 AI agents are built in, and the learning curve is probably less than an hour. You don't wonder what to do today. The leaderboard and others will help you. Paul will find the prospects. Bob and Mary will build the mock-ups of the websites. Clay preps your sales calls, and the other agents handle the rest. Contracts, things like that. You don't research tools. You don't compare features. You don't watch breakdown videos. You just do the work for 21 days. Have you ever tried that? You stop being a researcher and become a doer. The exact thing AI was supposed to enable in the first place before everybody turned it into another rabbit hole. Entry closes June 10th at 12 p.m. Eastern. The link is below this video. Here is what it looks like. One unified leaderboard, everyone competing together. 20 winners walking away with cash Apple gear, plus a wild card drawing. Every person who completes the challenge gets entered to win 12 months free of these 8 AI agents, plus an 8-week one-on-one mentorship with a 6-figure agency owner. These prizes are over $18,000 in total prize money. Matter of fact, I'm even giving you a money-back guarantee, or you could just use GoHighLevel's offer for their 50% off next 3 months deal and get added to the challenge automatically. All these links are down below. Kick off June 10th at 12 p.m. right here on YouTube. If you've been buried under AI content for the last year and nothing's gotten built, the next 21 days are your reset. Stop researching. Start executing. I'll see you on the kickoff. Links are all down below. Make sure you turn the notifications on so you know when I go live. See you in the next video.